Good afternoon, design family. Today's video is gonna be on my back porch fall decor. So come along with me as I show you how I've decorated my back porch. If you remember, this is the wreath I purchased from the Goodwill. I have went in and added a buffalo check ribbon. On the floor here, I have a pumpkin patch mat, 3 pumpkins, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a short tour, and then I'll come back and tell you where everything came from. Okay, I've already told you where the wreath come from. The mat come from Walmart. The pumpkins come from Kroger. The pillow covers come from Walmart. This small lantern was a Goodwill find. The garland you see here was part of my Goodwill haul that I showed you. It was 2 long strands for $4.99. The pumpkins I added with the lights. The pillow covers here are also from Amazon. The large lanterns are from Kroger. The centerpiece here is what I have DIY'd. And what I've done here, I've put 2 small planters on each side, a couple of buffalo coasters. On the top, I have added a buffalo check pumpkin on each side. In the center, I have placed a light, and it is a light bulb. It has the white grapes, a pumpkin, a succulent leaf, and here on the side, I have placed a white pumpkin and the little small buffalo check pumpkins. This is, as I said, my back porch fall decor. Hope I've given you some ideas today. If you're a part of the design family, thank you again for stopping back by. If you're not, I ask that you hit that like and subscribe button and become a part of the design family. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.